Hello and welcome to TMK Film. Today, you're looking at Clovos Passage, looking up towards the north, studying the seafloor, the marine snow. Our team are taking notes. As we fly along, we find an area, we land, and I want you to just watch for a moment of the activity on our seafloor. Pretty cool, huh? Snails of some type, maybe? But look at them work along the sand. I just love doing this. And I want to say thank you to everybody that's watching. And if I give you a GPS coordinates now where we're at, that'll help. Top side view. And let's jump back down to the bottom. Now I want you to look at the screen. See how it's kind of turned blue? That is showing me high levels of sewage. And we're finding that as we fly along the Kitsap County shoreline, the homes that have been on that beach the longest, 100 years, 80, 90 years, the sewage level is out 30-some feet. The new homes being built that have never been there before, the sewage is starting to show up about 10 feet off of the low tide. And looking at the screen, you'll see kind of a light blue tint. And that is our sewer cam picking up off of that marine snow some of the human waste from sewage. We were looking at our temperature the other day, and it was rather concerning. Puget Sound is somewhat in the 50-degree level. But now here's the part that concerns me. When I went down into the 500-600 foot depth, took a temperature reading, it was the same as on the surface. So it's telling me that Puget Sound is starting to warm itself up in some areas, the heavy marine snow that you see. And I just don't wonder, now this is just hypothetical, but we have a lot of volcanic activity under Puget Sound. So is the waters of Puget Sound being heated up by the volcanic activity running under Puget Sound's seafloor, the substrate? Hard to say. I want you now to focus on the screen, though. You see how that kind of a darkish light green is over a sandy area? Well, that's the heavy particles that land on the seafloor and build up. And I'm not quite sure kind of what toxins they are, or maybe it's just a good thing with plankton. I'm not quite sure. But as we fly along, we keep seeing this blue tint over the screen. And we're in 370 foot of water. Nice little orange guy on a limb there of kelp. Could be another one, could be a baby octopus. I've learned, some months ago now, I was flying just like I'm doing here in 370 foot of water. And an octopus jumped on my diver drone. And you can jump back into the channel and you'll see that. If you've just joined us for the first time, I'd like to welcome you to TMK Film. We also have a live feed over at Doc C's under Puget Sound. And get a chance, check out what we're doing in the creek system with our high-res camera. All right? But thanks for watching, everybody, and email me with questions.